Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something that you'd be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing my very last Sugar Milk Co haul for the year. If you don't know, Sugar Milk Co is like an indie brand. They have body oils and creams and just all type of yummy goodness. I have done 2 videos prior. I will have them linked below if you have not already checked them out. I thoroughly enjoy this brand and I look forward to buying them more in the future. Now they are closed. Their site is closed, but they do have an Etsy shop that is still open, so I will have that link below if you guys want to check out any of these products. So this is my package. Now I did not go ham and buy a lot of stuff because I just don't need it, but I love the aesthetics of their packaging. It is always really beautiful. They do presentation well. So this is, it says I'm edible. They always usually pop in some form of a little candy or a treat. This is sugar plum gourmet lollipop, my little receipt, and like I said, the inside is always pretty. So we're gonna pull out what I bought. So I bought 3 things, and 2 of them are very different than what I normally buy, because as you know, I normally get the body oils because I love them, but I got something different. Now I did still get a body oil though. So this is the packaging. I don't know if this is their new packaging of how they're doing it, or if it was just for the holiday, but normally it's just wrapped in paper like that. So we're gonna open it up, and this is Sugar. She looks like super cute. This is one of the new ones for the holidays, and when I purchased this, it was right before they opened, and it had like an extra 15% off, so I hopped on. And I love cookie scents. I don't know the scent notes, but I'll pop them on the screen, so I'm excited. So shake her up. Okay. Oh, that smells good. Oh my goodness. It smells just like a cookie. This is good. I'm excited about this one. So yeah, I like that. So then we have these 2. I love the attention that they put into packaging. It's so pretty. Okay, so I picked up 2 of their body creams. I've never owned any of their body creams. So yeah, the first one I picked up is obviously Sugar Cookie. Let's see. Oh, it smells nice. And these are glass jars. Let's see. Nice. Smells nice, rubbed in really well. It's kind of a thicker formula. I like it. I like it a lot, so I love that. And then the other one I picked up is a marshmallow caramel latte. So again, I don't know the notes for these, but oh, this smells good. That smells cinnamony though. It smells like it got some cinnamon in there. Let's see. I like that. It smells more cinnamon than chocolate marshmallow, but I can kind of get it, like the latte smell. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. I'm smelling pretty good. I love these oils. These silky perfume oils are so good. These honestly are my favorite. I even like them over the body creams, but the body creams are nice. My skin feels nice and smooth. I don't know. Honestly, I like the body creams, but it's the oils for me. Yeah. So look at that. That is the quickest, smallest, quick haul ever. I love this stuff. They do an awesome job every single time I purchase from them. All right guys, so that is it. That's everything I picked up. I only picked up 3 things this time. I be trying to kind of reel it back a little bit with buying excessive things that I do not need. These smell really nice. I really like these. But the oils are always my favorite. Like this oil smells just like a sugar cookie. It's so good. I'm so happy about this. Like I cannot wait to wear this and pair this with some stuff. Like I need to get the filming. I got so much stuff and content in my head and I have not produced any of it. And I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in another video. Bye.